If you're a public speaker, you need to know these tricks. They'll take your game to the next level. First up, tongue twisters. They're not just for fun, they help with enunciation. How clearly you speak. Here's a classic one. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Give it a try. It might twist your tongue at first, but with practice, you'll be nailing those tricky sounds. Next, let's talk about ethos. Ethos is all about credibility. Imagine you're listening to a doctor give health advice. You trust them because they've got the knowledge and experience. When you speak, share your expertise and experiences to build that same trust with your audience. Now, on to pathos. Pathos is about connecting with emotions. Think about those charity ads that make you feel for people in need. When you share a story that tugs at the heartstrings, you're using pathos to persuade. It's powerful because people remember how you made them feel. So remember, practice your tongue twisters for clearer speech. Build your ethos by showing your credibility. And use pathos to connect emotionally with your audience. Master these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking your speaking potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on public speaking.